Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on CapCut. If you're having problem with changing language or you're unable to change the language on CapCut, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, open the CapCut app and here, click on the settings at the top right corner. Here, you can see different kind of options, but since we want to change the language, click on App Language at the top. From here, you can choose your preferred language. So, scroll through and choose your preferred language. For now, I'll choose Romana and click on Done here at the top right corner. And as you can see, our language has been changed. And that's how you can change language on CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.